How to join WhatsApp public group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to join WhatsApp public group. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you have been invited to a group, you can simply join the group by accepting the request. But if you haven't been invited, then what you can do is simply open your web browser. It might be Chrome or Safari, and then open a new tab. Well, with the search bar, you need to type in WhatsApp group link. From the results section, you will get different kinds of WhatsApp group link website. You simply need to choose the trusted one and open it. So when you open any site, you will see different kinds of WhatsApp group link. You simply need to go through it, and after that you need to select the join button. And once you have selected join, you will land on this interface where you will see join group button. Simply you have to select join group and you will successfully join public WhatsApp group. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.